crafty friends! Welcome to day 2 of the Craft-O-Ween Advent Box from Spellbinders. There are 13 different sets to unveil daily, and each one comes in a nice card. And for today we have a raven and skull die set, complete with an assembly image and coordinating sentiment idea. I have cut out the pieces and I will be using 2 shades of black for the raven, shimmer purple and gold for accents, and the skull is white and black cardstock. I'm starting the assembly with the skull, and I attach the white to the black. The raven is next, and I start with gluing the wing to the body. The wing is a lighter black than the body for contrast. I also used that same lighter cardstock for the beak, which I attached next. I used orange cardstock for the legs, which I glued to the bottom of the body. This raven wears a top hat, and I attach a shimmer purple accent to the hat. This raven also has a monocle. I'm using shimmer gold and gray paper, and I glued the gray to the gold before I attach it to the raven face. I add a purple bow accent. And the top hat is the last of the raven assembly, and I just glue it to the head. The raven is then attached to the top of the skull. I have some simple pattern paper from my stash, cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'm also using the Perfect Touch arches and tag set from Spellbinders. I used the 3rd largest die to cut this arch. I'm also using Fairy Tale ColorWheel cardstock for a subtle purple. Now for the sentiment. This box comes with a clear stamp sheet full of coordinating sentiments, and I will be using Wishing You a Mysterious Halloween Night. I grab my Misty to help me stamp the sentiment straight. And I'm using black ink in the color Oreo from Tailored Expressions. I did have to stamp it twice to get the sentiment dark enough. I add glue to the back of the raven and attach it to my arch cutout. I placed it in the center of the arch just above the sentiment. I want the arch to stand out from the rest of the card base, so I'm adding some foam tape to the back. Afterwards, I adhere it to the center of my card mat. I now attach this mat to my sheet of A2 black cardstock so that I have a nice black border around the edge. Add some tape to the back of the card mat before attaching it to the card base. Final thing to do is attach it to the card base, and I'm using pre-made white A2 size card bases. And that is my quick card using the Day 2 die from Spellbinders Craft-O-Ween Box. Check out my blog for product links, and there also is links in the description box below. And I hope to see you for Day 3. Thanks for watching. Have a crafty day. Bye.